Biggest difference between an ER nurse and a nurse in other settings is we have a little bit more autonomy. Since we're the first person to see the patient typically, sometimes we're putting in some orders to help the doctor out. So just a little different than a normal day on the floor. Gives you ICU experience, gives you experience with ortho patients, with psych patients. You just get such a broad view that you might find your niche here and say, okay, I want to specialize in that.
It's just a fast-paced environment. You're not gonna see the same thing every day. I ended up at AGH because I like the culture here. They seem to care about their employees more than other places that I had worked.
Our team culture is very similar to that of a sports team, as we have a leader on at all times and everybody has a role that is crucial to the overall goal of excellent patient care.
So I would say everyone works as a well-oiled machine together. And even in the most chaotic of all situations, like the undercurrent is always quite put together and everyone has each other's back.
After you work together for so long, you kind of anticipate what the other person's gonna do. And there's a lot of respect among the team members when you're in that situation.
I can go back to the day I walked in the door and that nurse that I met that day, I spoke to last week. A lot of the people that I've worked with through the years have stayed and they're all still very, very good friends. We've traveled across the country. Yeah, so I think it's just pretty much a sense of family, which not to sound cliche, but it really is.
AHN supports our development as well as nurses. There's opportunities for continuing your education where they'll help pay with tuition, they'll help pay for certifications for tests. You can get your certified emergency nurse, and if you pass, AHN will reimburse you. As an ER nurse, I do think I make an impact, especially on people that you actually get to see good outcomes with. Fixing a problem that's simple, like a laceration or a broken bone for someone, and you get to see them walk out the door feeling better. That's always a good feeling.